Hey guys, and welcome back to Getting Started with Deep Learning in TensorFlow. This is section 2, where we're actually going to be getting started and doing some deep learning with TensorFlow. So in this section, firstly, we're going to look at how we install TensorFlow, and we can do that very simply from the command line. There's repositories available in pre-built binaries. Then we're going to look at how we create the dataset. Not necessarily how we create a dataset, but how we use a dataset within TensorFlow, because obviously data is massively important in deep learning. We're then going to look at actually how we define the model. So how do we define which network we want to use? And then we're going to wrap all this up with a simple classification example where we specify some attributes of a flower, and the algorithm will then tell us what kind of iris this is going to be. So up now, we're going to be installing TensorFlow. And you can do this very easily from the command line. We can do this with the pip package. So firstly, we need to install Python pip. And then you just let it download. And then once this is done, you do sudo pip install TensorFlow. And then you let it in now. This is installing the Python package TensorFlow. So this might take a while. TensorFlow is quite large. Right, so that's it. Now we've got TensorFlow and pip installed. We're ready to go. Right,